Hey everyone, welcome back to English for Every Day. I'm really happy to see you again today.
And welcome to our channel, friends.
We are so happy to see you here.
Today we are going to learn how to speak about feelings in real situations.
Feelings are a big part of communication, and if you can express them clearly, you sound natural, warm, and confident. In this lesson, we want to show you simple ways to talk about your emotions in everyday life. Not just words, but also situations, reactions, and the right way to say them.
We want you to imagine real moments because feelings appear in real moments. For example, imagine you wake up and everything feels light and easy. Your energy is high. Your mind is clear. You feel ready for the day.
In this situation, it is important to say something positive because positive feelings help you connect with others. You can simply say something soft like, I feel really good today. This small sentence shows your mood and also opens the door for conversation.
But sometimes the morning is not like that. Sometimes you wake up and you feel slow, tired, or heavy. You are not sad, but you are not full of energy.
In this moment, you can communicate honestly without sounding negative. You can say something simple and gentle like, I feel a bit tired today. This is not too strong, but it helps the other person understand your state.
When you talk about feelings, it is important to choose the right intensity. Not too much and not too little, just enough to show your real emotion.
Now let's imagine another situation. You are talking to a friend, and the friend tells you something nice. Maybe they give you good news. Maybe they say something kind to you.
In this moment, your emotional reaction should be warm. The goal is to show that their words touched you. You can respond with a simple feeling sentence like, that makes me really happy. It is short, clear, and honest.
Sometimes you have moments when you feel confused. For example, someone explains a plan or instructions, but you do not fully understand. Instead of pretending everything is okay, it is better to express your feeling. You do not need complicated English. A simple reaction works perfectly.
You can say, I feel confused right now. This helps the other person slow down and explain again. This is how expressing feelings can solve problems quickly.
Now let's talk about stressful moments. Stress is a common feeling, and it is important to express it in a healthy way. Imagine you have too many tasks, too many thoughts. You feel pressure.
And in this situation, it is useful to show that you feel something, but you are still in control. You can say, I feel a little stressed, but I can handle it. This shows honesty and also confidence. This kind of sentence teaches people how to read your emotions and support you correctly.
Now imagine a different moment. A moment of fear. Maybe you are trying something new. Maybe you are starting a new job, meeting new people, or doing something difficult. Fear is normal and it is okay to express it. You can simply say, I feel a bit scared because this is new for me. When you express fear softly, people feel closer to you. They understand you. They want to support you.
Now let's move to positive emotional language during conversations. Sometimes someone shares good news. Maybe they passed an exam, got a promotion, or finished something important. In this moment, you show positive emotion for them.
Not about your feelings, but about their feelings. You can say, I feel really happy for you. This is a strong emotional connection sentence. It shows you care.
Sometimes feelings appear during small, everyday moments. For example, imagine you sit in a quiet place.
You drink tea or coffee.
You have time for yourself.
You feel calm.
This moment is important because calmness is also an emotion. To express it naturally, you can say, I feel very calm right now. This helps the other person understand your inner state.
Sometimes you have a day where you feel proud. Maybe you finish a task. Maybe you learn a new skill. Maybe you do something you wanted to do for a long time.
In this moment, expressing pride is strong and healthy. You can say, I feel proud of myself today. This is not arrogant. This is confidence. And confidence is an important feeling in English communication.
Now let's talk about difficult emotions that are hard to express. For example, disappointment. Imagine you planned something. You expected something, but it did not happen. Disappointment is soft but deep. A simple sentence can express it clearly without being dramatic. You can say, I feel a bit disappointed. This shows the emotion but keeps the conversation calm.
Another difficult emotion is loneliness. Sometimes you feel alone even when people are around you. It is important to express this feeling clearly. You can say, I feel lonely today. This sentence helps someone understand that you need connection or support. Communication becomes easier when you explain the emotion directly.
Let's talk about giving advice about feelings. When someone tells you their emotion, you should respond in a soft and supportive way. For example, if someone says they feel sad, you can answer, I understand that feeling. You are not alone.
If they say they feel nervous, you can answer, it's okay to feel nervous. Take your time. If they say they feel excited, you can respond, that's great. Enjoy the moment. Reacting correctly to feelings builds trust.
People feel safe with you. People feel open with you. Now let's create a situation together. Imagine two people talking after a long day. One of them says the day was very difficult.
The other person should show care, support, and emotional understanding. A natural reaction could be, I'm sorry your day was hard. How do you feel now? This question is soft and opens the conversation.
Now imagine a good moment. Someone returns home after something successful. You want to show warm emotion. You can say, you look happy. Tell me what happened. This expresses curiosity and emotional connection.
In this lesson, we want you to feel confident expressing emotions.
Use small sentences. Use clear feelings. Use simple words. Because simple English often communicates the strongest emotions.
Every time you express your feelings clearly, you build better relationships. You communicate better. You feel better. You did great today.
You learned how to speak about feelings in real situations. You learned how to react to other people's emotions. And you learned how to stay natural and confident. We loved sharing this lesson with you. We were happy to have you here.
And we hope you come back again for the next lesson. Because every time you join us, you grow your English. And every time you practice, you become more confident, strong, and expressive.
See you again. And remember, your feelings matter.
Your voice matters, and you are always welcome here with us.